In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 8.1, quadrilaterals. Observe this question. So that the diagonals of a square, this is one quadrilateral and it is what? Square. We want to show diagonals of a square. A, B, C, D is what? A square. A, C and B, D are what? Diagonals of this square. A, C and B, D are diagonals of a square are equal. We want to show that these two diagonals are equal. This thing we want to prove. Another thing, what we want to prove? And bisect each other. And these diagonals are bisecting each other. We want to show that these two diagonals AC and BD are what? Equal. We want to prove what? AC equal to BD. One thing is this one we want to prove. These diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Bisecting, they are bisecting. It means bisecting means OB. Bisecting means they are bisecting means what? OB equal to OD, OA equal to OC. Clear? Bisect each other at right angle. And another thing we want to prove. What? These diagonals are at right angle means AC is perpendicular on BD. It means these diagonals are at right angle means AC is perpendicular on BD. These things we want to prove in this question. Simple question. We want to show that diagonals of a squares are equal. Diagonals means AC and BD are equal and they are bisecting each other at right angle. It means bisecting means OB equal to OD, OA equal to OC and AC is perpendicular on BD. These things we want to prove in this question. So how we will prove? Observe carefully. First I am taking what about its proof. We want to prove these things. So how we will prove? In the proof I am writing, I am taking triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle what? BAD. These two triangles. Observe carefully again. ABC. This right triangle and another one is BAD. This one. In these two triangles, we want to prove congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent or not. So, what thing is similar in both? I am writing and observe carefully. AB in both triangles. In both triangle AB is common. So AB equal to BA. Common in both triangle. Clear? Now next one. In this triangle ABC, BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. Because sides of these are what? Sides of a square and square having all sides what? Equal. Sides of a square. Sides of a square are equal. So BC equal to AD. Why BC equal to AD? Because these are what? Sides of a square. One more thing required. We can say In this triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to angle BAD equal to what? 90 degree. Equal to what? 90 degree. So from these three things we can say triangle ABC is congruent of triangle BAD by side angle side congruence rule. Side angle side congruence rule. By side angle side congruence rule we can say these two triangle ABC and triangle BAD, these two triangles are what? Congruent. Once these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. So hence what we can say, this side in the ABC side AC, hence AC will be equal to BD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This thing we want to prove, AC equal to BD. We want to prove that diagonals of a square are equal. So we proved that AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD are what? These are diagonals and they are equal. How? By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. We proved that triangle ABC is congruent of triangle BAD. So these two triangles corresponding parts will be what? Equal. So we can say AC equal to BD. And how we proved these two triangles are congruent? We observed these two triangles, and in these two triangles AB is common and BC equal to AD, because we are having square and the square all sides are equal. So BC equal to BAD. And next another thing we are having this angle and this one, angle ABC and angle BAD are what? 90 degree. This is the square, it means this angle and this angle will be what? 90 degree. So from the side angle side congruence rule we observed that these two triangle ABC is congruent of triangle BAD. Once these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of these triangles will be what? Equal. So we can say for this ABC triangle, AC will be equal to BD of a triangle of BAD. So and these AC and BD are what? Diagonals. So we can say diagonals of a square are equal. We proved. Clear? Now another things, we proved AC equal to BD. Now we want to prove OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. What is the meaning? These diagonals are bisecting each other. Bisecting we want to prove. So how we will prove? Observe, we will consider again two triangles. In a triangle, now OAB and triangle OCD. In these two triangles, what we are doing? We want to show that these diagonals, we proved that these diagonals are equal. Now we want to prove these diagonals are bisecting. So we are considering two triangles. One triangle is OAB and another one is OCD. This one and this one. In these two triangles we want to show these two triangles are congruent or not. So what things are common? So observe carefully. So we can say AB of this triangle will be equal to CD of this triangle. So we can say AB equal to CD, and why they are equal? They are what? Sides of a square, or we know well square having all sides are equal, sides of a square. Now another thing is what common. Once we consider these two parallel lines and this one is a transversal, it means this angle will be equal to this one. Yes or no? AB is parallel of CD. Observe, AB is parallel of CD and AC. This is what? C point. AC is a transversal. AB is parallel of CD and AC is a transversal. Then angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD. Observe carefully. These two are parallel lines and this one is intersecting these two lines or transversal. Then this and this one, they are what? Interior angles and alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So OAB will be equal to OCD. Why? Alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? So in these two triangles, this side equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. Clear? This angle will be equal to this one. Similarly, once we talk about these two parallel lines and now only we are changing transversal. We are considering this one as a transversal. Parallel lines are similar, but transversal we are considering BD. Observe, AB is parallel of CD and BD is a transversal. Then we can say this one is parallel to this one. BD is a transversal. It means this interior angle will be equal to this interior angle. Yes or no? And these two are what? Alternate interior angles. So what we can say? Angle OBA equal to angle ODC. Why these are equal? They are alternate interior angles. Clear? So in these two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD, AB is equal to CD, this angle equal to this one and this angle equal to this one. It means three things we observed equal. So we can say triangle, what we can say? Triangle OAB is congruent of triangle OCD by what rule? Angle side angle congruence rule. Angle side angle congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are congruent. By angle side angle congruence rule. So once these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts will be equal. These two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts will be equal. It means this side will be equal to this one and this side will be equal to this one. And this thing we want to prove. So we proved what? Hence OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD, and we are writing these things by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We proved OAB is congruent of triangle OCD, so corresponding parts of these triangles, these sides will be equal, and these are what? Diagonals bisecting side. These are what? Two diagonals are bisecting, then we are getting this side, and from these two triangles we proved that OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Why? Because OAB is congruent of OCD. Clear? So corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So another thing also we proved. Now we want to prove that they are bisecting at right angle. It means AO is perpendicular on BD. We want to prove that this angle and this angle both are what? 90 degree. AO is perpendicular on BD. This thing we want to prove. Last thing is remaining. So observe carefully how we will prove. So to prove these two things, AO is perpendicular, or we can say AC is perpendicular on BD. These two diagonals are perpendicular, we want to prove. So how we will prove? We will take again two triangles. Now I am taking AOB and AOD. So what we can say? In triangle AOB and triangle AOD, in these two triangles, in triangle AOB and triangle AOB and AOD, in these two triangles, AO is common. So first AO equal to OA, this thing is common in both one. Now next one, AB, this side equal to this one, because they are what? They are sides of a square. AB equal to AD, and both are what? AB equal to AD. They are sides of a square. Now next one, in both triangle OB equal to OD, we just proved OB equal to OD. Why they are equal? Because we proved already OB equal to OD, because triangle OAB is congruent of triangle OCD. These two triangles are congruent. AOB is congruent of OCD, so corresponding parts of these two triangles will equal. So we proved already. So from these three things, what we can say? From these three things we can say triangle AOB is congruent of triangle AOD. AOB is congruent of AOD. AOB is congruent of AOD. These two triangles are congruent by side congruence rule. By side congruence rule, we proved these two triangles are congruent. Clear? So what we can say? We proved that these two triangles are congruent. So angle AOB will be equal to angle AOD by CPCT. Yes or no? Observe, this triangle is congruent to this one. It means corresponding parts will be equal. This side will be equal to this one. This side equal to this one. Clear? This is common. This angle will be equal to this one. This angle will be equal to this one. And this angle will be equal to this one. This angle will be equal to this one, and this angle will be equal to this one. So this angle will be equal to this one by CPCT. These two triangles are congruent, so corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. So angle AOB equal to angle AOD. So angle AOB plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pairs of angle. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Sum of both angle will be 180. One straight line is there, one ray is standing, then sum of angles on that straight line will be what? 180. So sum of both angle will be what? 180. We know that angle AOB equal to angle AOD. So at the place of the AOD we can write angle AOB. So angle AOB plus angle AOB will be 180 degree. So this can be written as 2 times of angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Finally, angle AOB equal to 180 by 2, 1 times 90 times we are getting 90 degree. So finally, angle AOB equal to angle AOD equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. So AC is perpendicular. So AC is perpendicular on BD. We proved this one. Clear? AC is perpendicular on BD. Observe what we are doing in this question. We proved 3 things. So that the diagonals of a squares are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So first we want to prove that these diagonals are equal. So how we will prove? To prove these diagonals are equal, we will take 2 triangles. One is ABC, another triangle is what? BAD. Take these 2 triangles and prove these are congruent. So we are proving in these 2 triangles AB is common, BC equal to BD, BC equal to AD, not BD, BC equal to AD. These are sides of a triangles. Clear? And angle, this angle ABC, this one equal to this one, 90 degree. So from the side angle side congruence rule, we proved that these 2 triangles, triangle ABC is congruent of triangle BAD. Once we proved, then we can say corresponding parts of these 2 triangles will be equal. It means this triangle side, this AC will be equal to BD of triangle BAD. And AC and BD are what? Diagonals. So from these things we proved that AC and BD are what? Equal diagonals of a square. Clear? Now we want to show bisecting. These diagonals are bisecting. It means OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. These things we want to prove. So to prove these things, we are taking this triangle and this triangle. Triangle OAB and triangle OCD. In these 2 triangles, AB equal to CD, sides of a square. Another thing, we will take angles. We will consider these 2 parallel lines, and this one is transversal, then this angle equal to this one. These 2 parallel lines and this one transversal, then this angle equal to this one. So 3 things we obtained. So from the angle side angle congruence rule, we proved that these 2 triangles are what? Congruent. Once we proved, then we can say corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. This side equal to this one, this side equal to this one. We proved that diagonals are bisecting each other. Now we want to prove they are bisecting at 90 degree. It means AC is perpendicular of BD. So For this one, we are taking triangle what? AOB and AOD. These two triangles we are taking. Same, we want to prove congruent these two triangles. So in these two triangles, AO is the common. Another thing is that what? This AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. AO is the common. AB equal to AD because sides of a square, and we already proved that this equal to this one. So from the side congruence rule, we proved that these two triangles are congruent. So automatically corresponding parts of these two triangles will be equal. This side equal to this one, this equal to this one, this is common. So angles, this angle equal to this one, this angle equal to this one, and this angle equal to this one. So for which this angle equal to this one, it means this is the linear or this is a straight line and two angles are there and sum of both angles will be 180. So from this one we are getting angle AOB equal to what? 90 degree. This one is 90, it means this one will be 90 degree. Clear? So finally we are getting, once we are getting this angle is 90 degree, so we can say AC is perpendicular on BD. So we proved all the things we required. Clear? I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.